and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love saying things that I got shaky head disease. I don't have a shaky head disease. I was just kidding. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. Today we are going to be doing a look with the Bad Side Zodiac Earth Palette from Melt Cosmetics. And it is very beautiful and very shiny. Lots of great shimmers and some nice mattes. And I really look forward to the look that I am able to do with this. It says, the right way is your way, we know. And the earth signs are Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. My father was a Capricorn, and I get along with Tauruses really well. So that's kind of cool, Zodiac wise. I'm going to start off with Stubborn. No, I'm going to start off with RBF, which is Resting Bitch Face in the crease. Melt is always so freaking pigmented. So pigmented. I love how pigmented it is. You just put in a little dab and you can just blend it out for days. That's so pretty. I really am excited. I'm going to a Christmas party with some girlfriends. It's a Saturday afternoon party. And we're doing like one of those gift exchanges where everybody brings like a $10 or $20 gift, and then we're doing a dice game to exchange and then switch around and unwrap and just do different things. And it'll be a lot of fun. It'll be, because it's a party and we want to have fun at a party. Rhonda, we want to have fun at a party. That's true. Oh my goodness. I'm going to go in next with, if you hear noise in the back, Rome's in the other room going through some stuff in a closet. And sometimes it's noisy stuff. I'm going to go into, it's tough, into Know It All. Hey babe, that's a little loud.
Sorry, honey. I didn't think about it.
It's all right, babe. I love you. And Know It All is gorgeous shimmer. I'm digging this. It's kind of a copper. It is beautiful. It's got a little bit of gold flecks in it. And there's a great gold in here that I can't wait to use. I'm going to put that on my lid. That's going to be like my magic lid color. Really just pop it off. And this is just beautiful. I am digging it. I'm going to go on with my finger into Overcritical. Look at that. Oh. It's so pretty. I'm blending that in with Know It All. Oh, that's so cute. And it's really making my green eyes pop. It's so cheerful. It's a weird color gold. It's like a mustardy gold that's shimmery at the same time. Then I'm going to go into Heart of Stone. for my outside color to give the depth. I'm just going to blend that in. It's really a nice forest green. It's really looking nice. It's so pretty. Let's try blending this out. I think this will look better once we put liner and mascara on. So let's do so. And voila! This looks so fresh and pretty. I am totally excited about this look. Now for the lips, that's going to be a little tricky because it is such a beautiful neutral with pop of green, and most of my lipsticks are not like that. I do have a beautiful wine color that I think I'm going to try, which is Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink in number 50, which is Voyager. Yeah. There we go. We've got a beautiful wintry look. I hope you have had a good time watching me put on makeup. I've had a good time, and this palette is super good. It is the Earth palette from Melt Cosmetics from the Bad Side Zodiac. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you real soon. Bye.